Make a pecking bird using a fulcrum mechanism. You need a matchbox, big or small, some strong glue, scissors, wire cutters, thin wire, wrapping paper, small piece of black card, a few lentils, the bird you have drawn and painted yourself, or one that you have cut from a card. Use either one of the birds. I'm making using the one I made myself. Stick the bird onto card and cut it out. Cut a piece of wire the length of the beak and fix with glue on the reverse side. Use an empty matchbox. Cut the wrapping paper to cover the outside and glue down. Neaten the edges inside. Make a fulcrum using the piece of black card. Split into 3 sections of 2 centimeters each. Fold to form the fulcrum shape. The fulcrum is a pivot point around which a lever turns. It plays a central role in making the bird move. Cut a length of wire, making a secure twist at one end. Poke a hole through the bird. Place between the 2 pieces of the fulcrum so the bird moves smoothly up and down. Twist the other end and snip off the extra wire. Make a hole in the tail feather. Another in the drawer of the matchbox at the end. Cut another length of wire to lever the bird. Secure the piece of wire between the 2 holes and twist in place. Put glue in a bottle cap and spill in a few lentils. Stick the cap where the bird's beak will peck. Open and close the drawer. Let your bird peck. Seed-eating birds eat 1 to 2 teaspoonfuls in a day. in addition to fruit and vegetables, just like us.